So we have an update. And now we have flood inside the house. And water is coming now. They're entering now the house. And we put some cloth here, but the water keeps coming in. So the power of water. It's like a waterfalls.
Hindi, tumutulo.
Makurinti ka dyan. Water is coming now. Okay, so the water is still coming in and stronger. Oh, there's nothing we can do. Okay, so this is now what's going on here. So this is now the store. So we cockroach. So this is now the sala. And the sopa. So the water outside. So you can see before. Whoop. Hi, so this is an update of the flood in Dagupan City. So I am now here at the roof of our house. We don't have rain now, but the water still haven't subsided yet. Maybe because of the high tide. Hello. until now the water is still inside our house, so we are staying at the second floor. We sleep and eat there. So we'll go up now. Hindi ka pa rin tapos kumain? So they're still eating. And also this one just woke up because she heard that we're going to eat. Hi everyone, so it's me again. This is the part 2 of the flood here in Dagupan City, Pangasinan. And we're staying here at our second floor because there's still a little flood downstairs, but I hope tomorrow the flood will subside because there's no more strong rains that's falling down the sky. So we just hope for the flood to subside. And when you experience this kind of calamity, the flood, be sure to be safe. Always think what's safe to do. So check if check your things if the flood is still going high. So you should put your things, important things, papers or electronic devices, to put it in the higher ground so that the flood will not reach them. And also the electricity. So if you think that the flood will still going up, so it's better to shut off the plangka. Okay, so be sure to turn it off and bring some flashlights. You should charge your flashlights, or you should keep new batteries. And also food, it's important because you can't go to the stores to buy food. It's dangerous outside. You'll get many illness, or you can get sick. There's you can also get leptospirosis. Also, if you know that there's a storm coming, you should go shop early for food, for candles, for lamps, flashlights, so that you won't go out again when there's flood to go buy some things. Okay, so keep safe, and I hope the flood will subside tomorrow. Okay, thanks.